The Luminkey65 is the latest release from CreateKeebs. We first heard about the Luminkey series through our friend Alexotos, who built both the Luminkey75 and Luminkey80 prototypes on his stream. Now, it's Luminkey65's turn to shine. The quality of the E-coat finish on the Luminkey65 immediately stood out to us. It's smooth and consistently applied without any color discrepancies. In terms of design, it's sleek with a subtle signature. It's got flair without being flashy. The type feel also strikes a perfect balance for a solid and comfortable experience. User-friendly features of the Luminkey65 include magnetic screws, pre-installed feet, and a straightforward disassembly process that requires only a single screw bit size. For newcomers to the hobby, the board arrives mostly pre-assembled, requiring only the installation of switches and keycaps. However, for those looking for a more customized experience, note that the polycarbonate plate in the default kit only supports a 6.25U layout and plate-mounted stabilizers, which do come included. If you want additional layout options such as a 7U bottom row, stepped caps lock, or ISO, or if you plan to install PCB-mounted stabilizers, you'll need to buy an extra plate on top of the base kit.